and welcome to my channel. I'm Rachel and I like to help people find a sense of calm. I created this channel to share tips and tools for mental health and well-being and voice techniques for meditation and healing. Today I'm just going to share a short video about the benefits of deep belly breathing, and I'm going to do a demonstration. So deep belly breathing is a very easy way of calming yourself down, centering, grounding, kind of finding a sense of neutral. Because we work with the breath and we extend the out breath, we kick in the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps calm us down. Because we're focusing on the breath, it brings us powerfully into the present and gets us out of our head. So honestly, the power of doing 5 minutes deep belly breathing cannot be underestimated or overestimated. It's a powerful thing. If you are able to do 5 minutes in the morning, it sets you up very well for your day. If you're able to do 5 minutes at night, it's very helpful for a good night's sleep. So it's never wasted. And if anything ever happens in your day and you're in a tiz, 5 minutes deep belly breathing and you will be calm. And when we're calm, we're able to respond to life rather than react to it. So it's really worth mastering the art of deep belly breathing. So I'm just going to have to adjust the camera in order that you can see the floor, so bear with me. Okay, so hopefully now you can see the floor. So you start by getting yourselves onto the floor. I'm using a yoga mat, and then you need a book to go underneath your head. And the purpose of that book is to keep your head or your neck parallel to the floor. So if the book is too big, you're going to be tipped forwards. If the book is too shallow, you're going to be tipping back. So you want the head to be level, the neck to be level, so you've got the best opening and alignment here. Soles of the feet flat on the floor. Then take your hands, find your belly button with the index finger, and then put all your fingers together underneath the belly button. So the feet are about hip width apart. And then you begin by breathing in through your nose into your hands so that the belly rises and the fingertips part. And then you breathe out through the mouth, extending the breath to the very, very end of the breath before you sit, if you can, momentarily in the space at the very end of the out breath, before allowing the in-breath to come back in, and again back down deep into the belly. So I'm just going to demonstrate that for you. So there we are, I just did 3 deep belly breaths. But I know when I talk to people about doing things for a long time, that very often they don't want to do it because it's going to take a long time. If If you just put 5-minute timer on your phone and get down and do 5 minutes deep belly breathing, it can dramatically change your space and then the rest of your day. It's really, really worth it. So, another reason why we need to deep belly breathe is because many adults, the breath gets shallower and shallower and shallower. If you watch a baby breathe, it's the belly that goes in and out. The chest doesn't move, it's the belly. So this is just retraining us to breathe properly, to breathe down deep into the belly and have the belly expand. When the belly expands like that, the diaphragm is working properly. There is another stage we can take deep belly breathing to, but that is good enough. That's stage 1, just breathing down into the belly. And that is powerful just all on its own. So like I say, 5 minutes deep belly breathing can change your day. If you can really steel yourself and do 15 minutes deep belly breathing, either in the morning or in the evening, what you feel then is you begin to feel all of the shoulders and the back of the neck relax into the floor. It's a wonderful feeling. And to increase that sense of relaxation, if you imagine that all of the front of your body is collapsing into the back and meeting the floor, that's can feel absolutely wonderful, because we're so used to thinking that this part of our body is supported. But if we imagine that it's just falling back into our back and then into the floor, it can bring about a profound kind of feeling of relaxation and letting go. Letting go, imagining that your body is just dissolving into the floor. Okay, so there we are. Just wanted to do a very short video about deep belly breathing. It's really powerful. I do it every day. I have done for years and years and years. It's the easiest way with some of these things is to make it a habit, because in the beginning you need motivation to get you going. But once you do it every day for a bit, you establish a habit, and then it's so much easier because something in you is expecting to do it. A bit like, in the morning you get up, toilet, teeth, you don't think about it, you don't think about cleaning your teeth, it just happens because it's a habit. And this can very easily become a habit too, a really, really good habit. I've spoken about bucket filling. Deep belly breathing, it's like putting gold bullion in your bucket. It's really good, powerful stuff. So thank you very much for being here with me. I'm very grateful for everybody that's watching. Otherwise I'm sitting here making videos for no one. If you could like and share and hit subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. But I must be honest, most of all I enjoy the comments. You tell me something about yourself. Tell me how you're getting on with this. If you feel like it, I'd love that. So thank you very much for being with me. I will be back very soon. Probably outside with some more sounds, but I thought I'd bring you into my therapy room this morning. I'm going to set this up so I can do sounds indoors, because obviously sometimes it's going to be raining and I can't protect the camera, so yeah. So have a good day, try some deep belly breathing, remember to drink some water, remember to get some fresh air and exercise, maybe even eat a piece of fruit or two. Thank you very much for being with me. Have a lovely day. I hope you find a sense of calm and that you take it with you through your day. Bye-bye for now.